Question number 10 on your Math 1105 Test 2 review is going to involve composition of functions. Basically, when you see the circle in between two functions, that's read f composed with g. And let's look to make sure that you remember how it works. Alright, suppose I gave you these two functions. F of x is the function 3x minus 1 and g of x is the function x squared minus 4. If I asked you to find f composed with g of 6, what you're going to do here is you're going to start, alright, let's look at this first. What you're going to do here is kind of rewrite this. You're going to find g of 6 and then put that answer into f. Got me? So let's do it. We're not working with function f yet. We're going to find g of 6. So we go to the function g of x and we put in 6. That would give me 6 squared minus 4, which is 36 minus 4, which is 32. Now what I'm going to do to finish is I'm going to take the number 32 and I'm going to put it into the function f. So I come up here and I find the rule for function f. Negative 3 times the input minus 1. Negative 3 times the input, which is 32, minus 1. And we have negative 96 minus 1, which is going to give me negative 97. And that would be my answer for the first part of the problem, negative 97. Now, composition of functions is not commutative. And what I mean by that is you don't always get the same answer if you reverse the direction. For example, addition is commutative because 1 plus 5 is always the same as 5 plus 1. But that's not true with composition of functions. Sometimes it is, in which case the functions are special and they're called inverses of each other, but that's down the road. Right now, let's find g composed with f of 6. So this time we start with f of 6, and we then put that answer into g. So we're ignoring g for a minute. F of 6. Let's go to function f of x. We put in a 6. Negative 3 times 6, alright, minus 1. That becomes negative 18 minus 1, which is negative 19. Now, at that point, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the number negative 19 and we're going to want to put that into function g. So, in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to look at function g. G of x equals x squared minus 4. When I come down here, I have negative 19 squared minus 4. Negative 19 times negative 19 is 361 minus 4 gives me the answer 357. And that's my final answer to the second part of this problem. And notice they are not equal, and that's because composition of functions is not commutative.